Take a look at this beautiful crossover SUV, 2013 GMC Acadia Denali package, top of the line, all-wheel drive, 3.6 liter V6 engine, factory tinted windows, roof rack. It's got the upgraded chrome wheels, a lot of chrome accents on this vehicle, high intensity headlights, fog lights. It is a clean title vehicle. There's no hail on this vehicle. It's got turn signals built into the mirrors. Condition of the Michelin tires are really nice. Inside, black leather interior, Bose sound system, Denali trim. No check engine, no airbag light, not even a low tire light on. Very clean. This one's got a power moonroof. Under the hood is a powerful 3.6 liter V6. Sounds really healthy vehicle, starts right up, no issues. Take a look at the second row. Second row is a very desirable quad seating, and you have dual DVD players. Easy access to the third row with the sky window and rear heat and air controls. Matching Michelin's, LED taillights, power liftgate. These seats fold flat. Let's do one to show them. They fold flat to give you a generous cargo space. That's how they go. And they even have headrests, or sorry, headphones for your DVD. Power liftgate. Other side of the vehicle, very clean. We just had this vehicle detailed. It is an out-of-state vehicle, so as far as rust, I don't see any. Let's take you on a short test ride, show you how the vehicle drives. Okay guys, welcome inside the GMC. Let me show you the cluster of the vehicle. 110,967 are the exact miles of the vehicle. No misfire, no hesitation, no warning lights. This one even has the telescopic steering wheel. That's a nice feature to have. One touch windows down, power folding in mirrors. It also has blind spot monitoring. That's that arrow there. And for those of you that don't know what that means, is if there's a vehicle in your blind spot, then it detects that and it'll tell you that. You have heated seats for the front occupants. You have your power liftgate. You have a dual zone climate control. That's the passenger. Here's the driver. If I want mine colder or hotter, you can do that. You have a really nice touchscreen sound system. You can connect your smartphone into this vehicle as well. You have a heads-up display.
Cooled seats too.
Yep, these are the cooled seats, and these are the heated seats. You have a heads-up display, and I can see that right now. It displays an image right here on my speedometer. There's a tray there. You have a power sunroof. So this vehicle is loaded up with all the options, folks. So you got everything. You got your backup camera. You got the steering wheel switches. You have remote start, power liftgate button. Let's take you on a short drive, show you how this vehicle drives. We happen to have 3 of these right now. One is in black. The other one is in red. The one that's in red is at detail right now. Here's the black one. That's also a Denali package. We'll be doing a video of that next. We have other compact crossover SUVs for you to choose from in the front. Part of the reason why these crossover SUVs are so popular is because they ride like a car, but they sit up high and have the capability of being a 7-passenger, like that Nissan Pathfinder that's there. That's an SL trim, so it's got leather, sunroof just like this one. But the GMC Acadia, in my opinion, are the platform of the Buick and the Chevy Traverse, because all those 3 vehicles are the same. This is the most stylish one in my opinion, and I think a lot of people will agree. You can be whatever age, you can be young, you can be old, you fit into this vehicle. The Buick seems to be for the older generation, and the Traverse always seems to be for the moms. But anybody could be in this GMC Acadia. It's very stylish, and it's very comfortable. It's a very comfortable ride. As you saw there, the transmission shifted nice. Everything on the vehicle works as it should. Brakes feel good. The heated seats are already starting to get warm, and it's very compact again. So if you go to a parking, if you want to park the vehicle at the grocery store, it's very compact. And they have real nice accents, like this wood trim on the dash. You have this chrome accents throughout the vehicle. Outside the vehicle, the chrome wheels and the chrome door handles. Again, it's a very stylish vehicle, and it's very powerful too. This 3.6 liter V6 engine has plenty of power. It's the only engine that you can get on these vehicles. We can also help you with financing. All we ask you to do is log on to our website, rideautosale.com. Fill up a short, simple online application that will come to us directly. We'd be happy to work on it to get you approved at the terms and the rates that you can afford. Right now, we are by appointment, so we encourage you to set that up with us, and we'll be happy to accommodate you with any additional questions you may have. Thank you.